Have you ever stumbled across a website that looks too good to be true, with flashy discounts and beautiful personalized gifts, and wondered if it's actually safe to shop from? That's exactly what we're diving into today with Ellret.com, a store that claims to sell stylish, customized items like engraved names, printed photos, and souvenirs for special occasions. At first glance, the site might seem appealing, especially if you're looking for unique gifts, but when we dig deeper, there are several red flags that raise concerns. One of the biggest warning signs is the fact that Ellret.com was only registered in 2025, making it a very new website with no solid track record. Legitimate gift shops usually have some kind of history, reviews, or proof of reliability, but here, that's missing. Another suspicious point is the heavy discounts, up to 50 or even 60% off, which can look tempting but are often a tactic shady stores use to lure in buyers quickly. The product images also appear AI-generated or copied rather than authentic photos of real items, which makes it hard to trust what you'll actually receive. On top of that, the website has incomplete or missing legal pages, no clear contact information, and a vague return policy that feels more like a barrier than real customer support. Adding to the doubt, there are no genuine customer reviews, no social media presence, and no transparency about who runs the store. All of this leaves potential buyers in a risky spot, unsure whether their money will bring them the promised gifts or just disappointment. So if you've been thinking about ordering from Ellret.com, it's important to know these facts before deciding. This review isn't about labeling the site as 100% legit or a guaranteed scam, but the results show enough red flags that you should proceed with extreme caution and think twice before handing over your payment details.